guys, you're welcome again to my channel. This is Skin Illustrations with Cindy. I promised you guys I'll be more consistent this time around, and I'm trying to keep to that promise. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to grow my natural hair in 2 years. This is the length of my hair as we speak. You can see how long it is. I packed the rest, but this is the length of my hair. This is it. I was able to make it fuller, richer and stronger. So if you want to know what I used to achieve the result, I promise you guys, do not go anywhere. Stay with me. Let us make this video together. Okay, let me introduce the ingredients I used, I'm going to use for the hair mayonnaise that I use for my hair. My mixing bowl, then coconut oil. Coconut oil is good for hair growth, also good for moisturizing of hair, hydrating the hair, making the hair softer and making the hair grow. In here I have my Shea Butter oil. Shea Butter oil is also very good for growing hair, enhancing hair growth and making the hair full and fluffy. Here I have my Hair Wonder natural oil. Hair Wonder natural oil contains shea butter, neem leaf oil, curry leaf oil, coconut oil, moringa leaf oil, castor oil and olive oil. This oil is very powerful. I add it, it enhances hair growth, also makes your hair full and helps in treatment of dandruff. Then I have my vitamin E oil. This is an antioxidant, will help in making the hair dandruff free and not allowing your scalp to be irritated. Also here I have my Shea Butter powder. Shea Butter powder is also a very wonderful powder that enhances hair growth and makes your hair full and black. And here is my mayonnaise. I am using a brand called Bama. If you are here in Nigeria, you will know the brand I'm talking about. I'm using the brand called Bama because it is very rich. I use this for my hair mayonnaise. So guys, let's get to work. In my mixing bowl, I'll first of all add my hair mayonnaise. I'm still gonna bring out everything in it. The next thing I'm going to add is my Shea Butter powder. I'll be adding a tablespoonful of it to my mix. Afterwards, I'll be adding my coconut oil. 30 ml of my coconut oil is what I need in this mix. The next is my Shea Butter oil. I'll be adding 15 ml of my Shea Butter oil. Then the next is my Hair Wonder natural oil. I'll be adding 30 ml of it to the mix. And lastly, I'll be adding my vitamin E oil. I just need drops of my vitamin E, about 3 to 5 drops. want to scoop out everything in here before I turn. Then I mix thoroughly. For more consistency, I use my hand blender to whisk it very well so that everything incorporates into the mixture. Okay, I think I'm fine with this. Then the last thing I'm going to add is my peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is good for treatment of scalp and dandruff. It helps to make sure you don't have itchy scalp. So I'm going to add 3 drops of my peppermint oil to my mix. After which I mix again. This one just for about a minute or 2, and that's it. To apply this, I take a little quantity of it and massage into my scalp. Okay, massage sufficiently into your scalp. Not on your hair, but scalp. Good. When you are good with the results, you take a hair bunny and cover your hair. Allow it to sit for 30 minutes at least. Then you wash off with your shampoo. And that's it. Do this at least twice a month and you'll be amazed at the results you will get. I'm glad you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please drop your questions down in the comment section. I'll get back to you guys on it. Till next time guys, I still remain yours, Cindy.